everybody? Another week, another dollar. Today is Sunday, July 19. I hope everybody's enjoying their weekend. These are the top 5 things to know this week on Wall Street. Kicking it off with number 1. Tesla reports quarterly numbers Wednesday afternoon, and it could be the next moment of truth for the bulls and the bears. Not only is the stock up more than 250% since the bear market low in late March, but it's also up around 40% so far this month alone, trading at the $1,500 level. Analysts are predicting a quarterly loss, but higher than expected Q2 vehicle deliveries announced earlier this month have raised hopes the company will defy Wall Street estimates to show a profit. If Tesla is able to post a profit for the quarter, they will become eligible to join the S&P 500, possibly by the end of the year. On to number 2. Another big name earnings report which could make or break the current market rally is Microsoft, which also reports Wednesday after the close along with Tesla. Revenue is expected to rise by 8% from the same quarter a year earlier to $36.4 billion as the tech giant likely benefited from stay-at-home trends during the coronavirus pandemic. Another key metric investors will focus on will be growth in Microsoft's intelligent cloud segment, which includes Azure, GitHub, and other enterprise services. With a market cap of $1.5 trillion, Microsoft is the second largest traded company on the U.S. stock market. On to number 3. In addition to those two names, Twitter and Intel will also report quarterly results as the second quarter earnings season picks up pace. Other key names reporting this week include Battered Airlines, United Airlines, and Southwest Airlines. Blue chips, IBM, Coca-Cola, AT&T, Verizon, and American Express are also among the dozens of major companies reporting results this week. In total, 8 Dow components are set to deliver numbers in the week ahead, along with around 80 members of the S&P 500. On to number 4. Congress heads back to work on Monday and is expected to begin negotiations on another multi-trillion-dollar fiscal stimulus package that would address state and local government aid, as well as the soon-to-end enhanced employment benefit that pays out $600 to millions of out-of-work Americans per week. If Congress keeps to its schedule, it needs to improve the package by the end of the month before it heads to recess for the entire month of August. So with the elections fast approaching, both the Democrats and the Republicans have a strong incentive to agree upon further stimulus. At this point, it's not a matter of if, but a question of how much and just what the size and the content of the bill would be. So obviously a lot in stake for Congress and Wall Street on that front in the week ahead. And finally, number 5, the spread of the coronavirus will also continue to remain in focus, but more important than that will be continued signs of progress on the medical front. The Lancet, a respected weekly medical journal, is expected to release early-stage human trial data on Monday on a vaccine developed by AstraZeneca and Oxford University. So it's a big week for vaccine news as well. That's it for me. If you don't already know, you can now listen to these daily videos in podcast format on Apple Music as well as on the Investing.com app. Don't forget to head over to YouTube, hit the like button and the subscribe button, and may the trading gods be with you. Have a good week, everybody.